Hinihingal pa ako. I'm still catching my breath. Ay, it's a video. 1, 2, 3. Nice. We are now going inside the castle. Natatakpan pala ng mga puno yung castle dito sa anggulo na to. We are walking along the lake, going to the castle. What's the castle name, Joel?
Hmm?
What's the name of the castle?
I don't know. That's the
I think it's the town itself, Savonlinna. No, it's Olavinlinna. Olavinlinna. Diyan pala masukot. Sobrang init. Mahangin pero mainit yung araw. Nasa tapat ka ng araw. Thank you, Tita Evan, Tito Leo, for touring us around here in Savonlinna and welcoming us to your home. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Okay. Okay ka na, Nak? Are you feeling better? Yes. Do you want to wear your cap? Hmm? Okay. O na, kuya, mauga? O, hindi naman daw, Nak. Hindi naman tinawag si Kuya El. Go, Yael. Go.
hapon hindi.
Ito na yung castle. Yes. We are here. Already. Na-late pa nga. At sumama ang pakiramdam ni Joman. Masakit ang tiyan.
Kasi alaon na mag-start eh.
Nalipat kay Chris, tita. Yung sakit ng tiyan.
Ay. Paano yan? Gamitin niya yung siya. Ay, picture daw kayo.
Tatakpan pala ng mga puno yung castle dito sa anggulo na to. We are now going inside the castle. Olavinlinna castle. Olavinlinna. Lina means castle. Yes, we are now going inside the castle. Yay! Ito yun, ito yun. Oo. This. Ewan ko lang.
Pasok tayo sa isang tower.
Wow. Wow.
Ako na hawak.
Okay lang. Ito pa ako mag-picture. Castle in that time. Here we can see these towers. Behind me is the bell tower. Next one is church tower. These are the original towers from the 15th century that belong to the main castle. And the farthest tower is Shields Tower from the 17th century. These highest parts of the towers that are made of bricks were built in the 18th century. Let's go!
That one is a toilet. That part na nakauslit. Yes. Here, tita. And we are gonna visit those toilets. Dati daw wala tong wood part na to, tsaka tong bubong na to. Stone lang daw talaga. So talagang delikado dati. Walang nagpo-protect. Walang barrier. Ito na nga. Bakit naman kami sa castle? Ano gang kipot naman na rin ba ng ari? Dad, kaya pa ba, Dad? Tabi ka.
Spent time here in this room, and that's why they built this toilet over there. You can see it inside if you want. It's 20 meters from the rock.
Hello. Ito daw yung toilet. Ang gara. Yeah.
So everything that came out fell there on the rocks. There are few toilets in these towers, and they were mostly for the people who spent time here in these higher levels.
Oh, sarap. Sarap ng hangin, pero yung lakaran, hindi. Hinihingal ba ako? We are here. Dito na daw yung pinakamataas na part ng castle. This is the highest tower. And this is how it looks inside. I'm still catching my breath. Muntik na ako hindi magkasya doon sa isang daanan. What's inside? Uy, my God. Wow. Nice. So nice.
See that this part is made of bricks, and this was made for soldiers to keep watch. So they could very easily see in every direction from here if the enemy was arriving this castle. They could also defend this castle because they had cannons in front of these windows. And this tower is called Bell Tower because originally there was some kind of bell in the highest part of the tower that they could ring as a warning if the enemy was arriving in this place. Nowadays we keep the flag above the roof, and that's why we have these stairs here and the flag mast. In some of these windows you can see coins. It's because visitors in different times have thrown them there and maybe made a wish, or they have thought that it gives good luck. You can take a moment and watch the views. You can see very far from here, and we are now at the highest point in this store, so it's a good chance to enjoy the views.
How high we are?
We are now almost 30 meters.
30 meters high. Kanina nandun lang kami sa baba.
I want to see them too.
Isang view dito sa castle. We are in this part of the castle now. Yes. At may naaamoy kaming mabango. So nandun kami. Andun tayo kanina.
Haha,
Yes.
hindi na maamoy.
Mabango. What food is that? What's that good smell? Okay.
Okay, then we will start walking to the right corner. You can watch the views as we go. Go to the right corner.
Ay, it's a video. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Ano ba yan? Yan, may very steep and very narrow. Yun, meron na. Very steep. Very.
Ayun na. Scary niya mababa. Porque
Wow. Yes, yes.
isang beses pala ko nagpanood dito.
Magaling naman, masaya naman tita. Ah, boring.
Matanda yung pinanood na.
Ah.
Alam mo naman.
Pero dinadayo eh, no? Kamusta si tito? Itong museum shop. Museum, tsaka shop. Tama po ba tita? Ng castle. Medyo nakokontian po ako sa paninda. Pero to ano? Ah, ano ba? Hindi ko rin po alam kung ano. Visitors? May visitors list din doon. Oh, pag may ganito kang hapagkainan sa bahay mo, hasyendera. Yes. Yel. Daddy, tita. Tama ka doon kay tita. Tama ka doon kay na tita. 1, 2, 3.
Pagod na yung naturista.
Pagod na sir.
Yung pinapasok yung mukha.
Ito ang aming napakabait at napakagaling na tour guide at kaibigan, si Captain Leo and her wife, Tita Eva. Thank you very much. Always willing to tour us around here in Savonlinna. Kitos Palyon. I don't wanna cry. I hope next time I or he can drive. Old Manila, more time in Manila. Yeah. Lalabas na kami sa castle. We're gonna leave the castle now.
Rin na dun sa may parang exhibition na nilagay ng visitor. Meron dong mapa. Akala ko kung anong mapa. Yung mapa ng Scandinavia. Hindi ko napansin.
Scandinavia? Part?
Napakaluma.
Part ba ng Scandinavia?
Tingnan.
Okay, magpapapicture ba kayo dyan? Antics.
Dali! Wala na si...
Yun o, lalaki dun o, sa kabilang side, kuya. Si Tito Leo ang kuleta. Where's Joman? Kuya, kaya mo pa ba? Taas pa, kuya. Okay. Okay. Si Joman naman. No daw, no. Joman doesn't like to.
Alisa na.
Yan na. So, narating namin yung taas na yun ng tore. Nakita namin yung toilet na yun na nakausli dyan sa building. We just went out of the castle. And I think we're heading to I don't know, museum maybe. What is your question?
Linguang. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Hindi ko nga alam, baka dito pa rin. Hindi, magmumuseum ata tayo.
Bagos?
Baka magkakain ng pancake, Deme.
Yay! Saan? Dito na tayo kumain ng pancake.
That's the castle behind us. We just went up to the highest tower. Yes, thank you
Mami,
for the opportunity
Mami,
to travel
bibili pa ba tayo pancake?
and explore Savonlina with Tito Leo and Tita Eva. Thank you.